take command of the road in the 2005 Ford Excursion. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 10-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as power front seats, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, illuminated running boards, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.